Are you struggling to get ready for your challenge because the tech seems so overwhelming? One of the greatest struggles every non-techie life and business coach faces is wasting precious time learning multiple tech programs and getting stuck trying to figure out how to overcome the issues they encounter without wanting to tear their hair out or fall on the floor in a heap of frustration. Every day, the technology needed to run your challenge is weighing on your mind. And you might even be to the point where you're ready to give up. The tech setup just feels too hard. Hi there, I'm Rebecca Richards, creator of the 5-day End Challenge Tech Paralysis Workshop. Since 2012, I've been helping business owners and coaches who hate working on tech to get their offers online without struggling to learn and set up the tech on their own. This is your opportunity to get the core components of your challenge tech set up without frustration, overwhelm, or wasted time in a highly interactive experience. Over 5 days, I will walk you step by step through number 1, creating your funnel page header graphic and ad graphic. 2, creating your one-page funnel. 3, setting up your email autoresponder. 4, setting up your payment system. And 5, setting up your Facebook page, tracking pixel, and group. I'll even show you how to get started with no additional costs. Imagine finally overcoming the tech hurdles that have been holding you back from running your first challenge. Don't let your frustration or fear of tech stop you from taking the leap. It's time for you to launch your challenge, explode your business, and start impacting more lives. By the end of this 5-day workshop, you'll have the core tech up and running that you need to launch your challenge and easy to follow checklist so you can do it again. Click below to join the 5-day End Challenge Tech Paralysis Workshop now. I look forward to helping you launch your challenge without any tech headaches.